keep on moving till you're next to me.
Oh my god, hi vlog. Guys, it's like the color is very much. Hi guys, I'm on my way to LA right now and it's currently 12:22 p.m. I'm going there to meet my two friends that I haven't seen in so long, since last summer, and we're going to LA to just have a girls' day. So I made it to the girls and I'm in the Lush store, and guys, they have a matcha lip balm and I got it. I literally was finding this online. I couldn't. It smells so good. So good. I'm so happy. Look at the pizza. Oh my god. Hi vlog. Guys, we're back together after the loss. It's okay, we're gonna make it up. Okay, we're in this photo booth for lunch. It's so pink. First. Let's see.
You look stupid. She looks great.
Yeah.
Email the photo.
How'd you see that far? Bro, we guys. Or erewhon, yeah. Wait, let's go. New camera. Yeah. Can I adjust? I need to adjust my socks real quick. Guess who's here? Hello.
So hype. I'm like sitting down and you like hear my pray.
20 minutes. What are you guys doing?
Literally
just walking around.
Really?
Yeah.
There's not much to do here, I told you. It's just like
Yeah, it's just shopping. We're on our way to erewhon. Are we excited?
I'm so excited!
It's a video.
I'm gonna grill myself!
Okay, we're trying the erewhon smoothie. Okay, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Shut the fuck up!
Such a troll. I like it.
Oh no.
You wanna try mine?
It's so sweet. It's so sweet.
It's like
Sugar. I think it's because it's served the gut.
What the heck?
you don't like it?
What is that?
That's a really funky taste.
I feel good. Yeah.
Hailey Bieber smoothie.
I really like it.
Just like I should. Yeah. I feel
We're on Melrose right now. Melrose Avenue. We're just guys, we're at the Charlie XCX Sprout Wall.
Walk like a fish. Wait, are you supposed to be in the frame? Do that again. Wait, are you supposed to be in the frame?
You can get it and then you can get me just like looking damaged against the wall.
You got it in my heart, it's always open.
has been such a chaotic vlog. I don't even know what's happening right now. I thrifted 2 pieces, which I'll show you later probably. Emily's currently struggling with walking. We also made a dinner reservation at 6:15, which we have to make. It's currently 5:45. Oh, the pink! Woo!
Here we have Audrey in her natural habitat, taking photos of Emily. As you can see, she's very skilled veteran at this, with legs spread wide. Oh hell yeah! Oh, ow, pow, 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 ow, ow. Tourists in the wild. What up? It's not working.
Emily has gone barefoot, guys.
How dirty? Okay, this is how dirty my socks are right now.
Wait, before? This is before? And let's see after. Oh my god, my forehead. We're at and it's gorgeous. Do you see this? Truffle cacio e pepe.
Are you sure? I feel like you're trolling.
The sun.
Bro, I look horrible. I think it's a facial problem.
What?
I don't know.
Burrata's not supposed to be melted.
I think what we're supposed to do is crack some off and dip
Yeah.
in burrata. I think you mix everything.
Like that, no?
No, you can eat that, bro.
No.
These are like croutons. Yeah. Right, okay. And then you
They should put burrata on top of our salad. No, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think that was just their setting.
Oh yeah, when we were driving down from Boston, and I went to that poke place again.
Oh. I think that was the first time we went out.
Really?
The pasta's good. Is it good? It tastes like tomato sauce though. Like just tomato.
Oh. Wait, try it.
Try it.
There's cheese here.
Is it good?
How is it? It's making me full though. Like I'm feeling.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, that's massive.
The salmon is insane. Insanely good. Wait, I rate the salmon like a 9 out of 10. The salmon,
Yeah, I ate it all.
a 6.5.
That's
Rigatoni, 7.5. Yeah, it's like mid.
Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling. Just like I should. Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling. It's crazy how things change. Yeah, I feel good when I'm with you, darling. So won't you stay? Yeah.
Guess who's at the pink wall again? Us.
I can't stay away, stay away.
We're going back to the girls to get some matcha. Hello?
I'm so confused.
Wait, what? We made it! We walked 30 minutes. Yeah, my feet are out.
Excuse me, are you like Venus?
No.
You are influencers?
Okay, guys. It's for all Asian. Okay, guys, we got our matcha.
I really wasn't until my team would be like, do you want a mug? And then I'll just be like, yes.
A what?
Mystery man. I can't see because there's a hole. Guys, try it. Ready?
Wait, I'm gonna try it.
1, 2.
Wait.
I have a straw, guys. I'm sorry.
Can you hurry up? Sorry.
Why?
1, 2, 3.
Me when I lie, bro. There's already this much gone.
Whoa.
I'm a trigger. Just like matcha.
I got cinnamon. I got French toast. You wanna try? Whoa.
I like yours, Mona.
Yours.
Yours is grainy though.
This tiny hole is
No,
so
it's the
degrading.
Huh?
It's the cinnamon.
Luona's is my favorite.
I like the matcha flavor's the strongest in this one.
I like yours.
Yeah.
I like how it tastes like the one I make at home for like much cheaper price, bro.
It's currently 8:52 and we're almost
gotta be like a photo of like
we got our matcha
Yeah,
from Lala Land. I got the French toast matcha. What'd you get?
We're gonna like look. This is like 5 weeks.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
I just got the perfect latte. It's a secret sauce, but the lady told me it was like brown sugar. So
What do you rate it?
I rated like a solid 8 out of 10. Like there's nothing like insanely special or amazing. I'm not like blown away by.
I just think it tastes like good matcha.
But it's good. It's good.
What do you rate yours? What'd you get?
I look naked. I got the Lala latte. I got the Lala latte. I think I give it a 6. I like Blank Street a lot better.
I got the French toast matcha and it has cinnamon in it. I rate it like a 7.5. Like the color is very matcha. Very
You got the
matcha.
joggers. And literally, bro, us acting like that when we're literally seeing each other's for the crazy.
Yeah, so I'm not that sad.
Oh, you were talking about me?
Hi guys, it's July 4th and we have another day together. It's currently 12:31 p.m. and we're on the way to the beach right now. And guys, the beach is gonna be so packed, but we're gonna make it work and we're so excited to see the fireworks.
She's gonna try the lemonade, guys.
I was like 9.
It's good, right? That is really good. I like that.
She got the wild berry.
So many like different flavors of lemonade. I love when you can customize your own.
Rate it out of 10.
Like a solid 9. It's like
Really?
a good balance between sweet and sour.
Oh,
I really like it.
okay.
Gonna be even better.
We ordered food for the beach. There are so many people here. I'm so excited because guys, the UV is 10 right now. Really? Wait, we got our food and we're on our way to the beach and it's so nice. That's so pretty. We made it out to the beach. Okay, let's eat the sandwich. I'm so hungry. The sandwich. I got the crispy chicken. Oh my god. Wow.
So good.
Oh my god. Okay, let's take a bite. Let's take a
Wait,
first bite. Oh my god, me too.
So good. That's actually beautiful.
3, 2, 1.
That's really good.
Wow. Wow. That is so good. I don't know if I'm just hungry or...
I think it's a bit of both.
Guess who made it? Hi. We got acai.
Is it just your camera account?
No.
Then I'm not on your spam.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not.
You most definitely are.
Wait. I thought your camera account was your spam. No, I'm not. Wait, I'm not. Most definitely on your account. Yes, you are. You literally commented on it. You definitely.
No?
Yes, you did.
Wait, I did.
You did.
I did. It was your edited photo. I remember.
You're both on it. On Instagram? Yes.
I can be done. To go, please. charge my phone real quick. I have like a phone charger. You're gonna be 70. Thank you.
She wants to charge her phone back here.
I have my cord.
What kind of phone? What kind of like?
This is the C cord.
Alright, we can just plug it in right here.
That was like really
Yeah,
quick.
we can plug it into the door now.
Thank you so much. Oh wait, I actually have to pay first though.
Yeah, you're good. Oh yeah, wait.
Can I pay with my phone first? Sorry, you're long enough. We're getting burgers for dinner. I got a giant
Shut up right now. Shut the F up right now.
That was pretty like.
Two times I'm Two times I'm
We're about to settle down for the fireworks. It's currently 7:38.
Are you open-minded? Put your number in my iPhone Pro 16 Max. Are they looking at us? I think they heard me say 안녕하세요. When I said 안녕하세요, one of the girls like looked at me and laughed. Okay, but at least you're actually Korean.
Yeah, no, like at least I'm actually
God.
Korean. Imagine if I wasn't.
You don't know that she could be.
How do you know she's Asian? I don't know that she could be Korean.
Oh my god.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, no! I gotta read that.
That's so calm with that, bro. I'm talking about.
Hi.
And if you want
the bag, you gotta eat it.
Oh
Say that
my
again?
God.
I love Audrey.
I love Buona. I love you guys.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, Canada.
That's so aesthetic.
We're waiting
Bro,
for
Audrey,
fireworks.
can we redo that? You're gonna rewatch these videos and you're gonna hear the craziest thing.
Why? No, I was listening.
There's always things that go on in the background. Like when I was filming you guys take photos of the pink wall.
Can we redo that intro one more time?
Yeah. 1.
Wait.
Oh, we should wave. Okay, yeah. Good idea. Oh, God.
Okay, last time.
Drew to a wave.